Keep your room tidy.
Keep your room tidy.
Put your toys away after playing.
Put your toys away after playing.
Finish what you start.
Finish what you start.
Take care of your pets.
Take care of your pets.
Do your chores on time.
Do your chores on time.
Pack your own bag for school.
Pack your own bag for school.
Always follow the rules.
Always follow the rules.
Return borrowed items.
Return borrowed items.
Don't blame others for your mistakes.
Don't blame others for your mistakes.
Learn how to fix things when they break.
Learn how to fix things when they break.
Emotional well-being.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes.
It's okay to feel sad sometimes. Always try to find the good in things.
Always try to find the good in things.
Don't be afraid to talk about your feelings.
Don't be afraid to talk about your feelings.
Take deep breaths when you're upset.
Take deep breaths when you're upset.
Smile even on hard days. It helps.
Smile even on hard days. It helps.
Be proud of your achievements.
Be proud of your achievements.
It's okay to say no when you're uncomfortable.
It's okay to say no when you're uncomfortable.
Focus on what makes you happy.
Focus on what makes you happy. Don't compare yourself to others.
Don't compare yourself to others.
Always believe in yourself.
Always believe in yourself. Problem solving.
Think before you act.
Think before you act. Every problem has a solution.
Every problem has a solution. Ask for advice when you're stuck.
Ask for advice when you're stuck.
Don't give up if something is hard.
Don't give up if something is hard.
Learn from the times you fail.
Learn from the times you fail. Break big tasks into smaller steps.
Break big tasks into smaller steps. Take responsibility for your actions.
Take responsibility for your actions. Keep trying until you succeed.
Keep trying until you succeed. Stay calm in tough situations.
Stay calm in tough situations. Learn from your mistakes.
Learn from your mistakes. Fun and exploration.
Play outside when you can.
Play outside when you can.
Try something new every week.
Try something new every week.
Explore the world around you.
Explore the world around you.
Use your imagination. It's powerful.
Use your imagination. It's powerful.
Make time for things you enjoy.
Make time for things you enjoy.
Laugh as much as possible.
Laugh as much as possible.
Collect memories, not things.
Collect memories, not things.
Always look for adventures.
Always look for adventures. Find joy in little things.
Find joy in little things. Dream big and chase your dreams.
Dream big and chase your dreams.
Be yourself. There's no one like you.
Be yourself. There's no one like you.
Help someone in need if you can.
Help someone in need if you can.
Don't waste food or water.
Don't waste food or water.
Keep your promises.
Keep your promises. Listen more than you talk.
Listen more than you talk. Learn something new every day.
Learn something new every day. Be patient with yourself and others.
Be patient with yourself and others. Stay positive even when things go wrong.
Stay positive even when things go wrong.